Pajecha no kwenda chikwepa pamajiz na mushika ndakatenza.
Hi guys, my name is Monalisa Mai Chishato, also known as Miss Mo. I am the voice of Mai Fafi on Pajecha. First of all, the creative chemistry amongst everyone in Think and Mandorofia Republic is amazing. When an idea pops up, the way people just catch on and things are done is so fast, so creative, and so amazing. The behind the scenes work itself is also almost just as amazing as the final product that you guys see. And growing up with people like Mai Fafi and Mai Totlana, and seeing them then portrayed on an animation that we hope is going to go on the big screen someday is amazing. We need real stories, real people with the real flavor.